Hey guys, you're speaking to Jedd from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. We've got a common fraction question that we need to deal with, and specifically we're going to be multiplying fractions. I'm going to jump straight in, but what you would notice initially is that you've got a mixed number represented in your question, and they've also asked you to write the answer as a mixed number. Now, my advice when you get something like this is always turn everything into improper fractions. Everything needs to look like a common fraction so that it's nice and easy to work with. So how would we do that? How would we convert this part into an improper fraction? Well, we would take this 3 and we would times it by the 1, which would give us 3, and then we would add 2, which would give us 5. So that would be 5 over 3, okay, times 5 over 6. So nothing changes on the second part. All we've done is we've converted this into an improper fraction so that it's easier to work with. Now, when it comes to multiplication of fractions, it's a lot easier than addition and subtraction because we don't need to do anything to our denominators in order to be able to multiply or divide. So all we would do is we'd multiply the numerators together and we would multiply the denominators together. Before we do that, we always need to check whether or not there's anything that we can simplify. And in this case, there isn't anything that we can simplify. So we'll go straight into our multiplication. So the 5 times 5 at the top gives you 25, and the 3 times 6 at the bottom gives you 18. Now that is in its simplest form. We're not going to get the full marks yet because we haven't written it as a mixed number. So we first need to do that. How do we write it as a mixed number? Well, the first thing we need to do is we need to see how many times this 18 goes into the 25. We know 18 goes into 25 once. What is left over? Well, we know there's going to be 7 left over, and there's going to be 7 over 18 left over. Now, you can always test whether this is correct. You take the 18, you multiply it by 1, that gives you 18, plus 7 gives you 25, and that means that this mixed number is the true representation of this improper fraction. That's all from me, guys. Really well done. Massive thank you to our sponsors. Without them, these videos wouldn't be possible. Read up more about them in the description below. Also, remember, if you need more help with these types of questions, we've got tons of videos at our website. So visit our website. If you can't find the question or the answer to the question that's been plaguing your nightmares, remember, you can send us that question and we will respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, guys, stay epic.